B1 Solutions, they had not just the right skills or the right people, they also had the right ideas, the right visions that also what we call it, connected to how we think we should work with high standards, high quality.
I'm very confident that the growth strategy that we have in VELUX is supported very well with the use of SAP Business One, especially in the partnership we have with B1 Solutions.
For us, we work with B1 Solutions, not SAP directly, and it went quite well.
Working with B1 Solutions was good, was client-orientated, and also in time and cost.
Our target for the next 2 years is to reach around 28 or 30 countries being implemented with the help of B1 Solutions with our SAP Business One cover template.
And we think that B1 Solutions covers all these requirements, as they have worldwide very experienced consultants.
Due to the experience of the B1 colleagues and also on our side from our business colleagues from Mitsubishi Fuso, we achieved it to go live with the project on time, on cost, and now they started to use it.
O projeto de implementação do SAP Business One foi conduzido pela B1 Solutions Brasil e também parcialmente pela B1 Solutions Japão, com uma participação importante. Tanto a Idemitsu no Japão como nós ficamos extremamente felizes e satisfeitos.
We decided for B1 Solution as our new global partner for SAP Business One. Today I can say we are much better than 3 years ago or 4 years ago already. Today my life regarding SAP Business One is much more relaxed.
那这时候的话 ，B1 Solution 就是一个非常合适的合作伙伴，来帮你来完成，用他们的专业的这个软件的理解来达到你的一个需求。所以说，我觉得这最终客户和 SAP 和 Business One 我们这边互相的一个合作和发展是非常重要的，能够达到最大限度的让 SAP Business One 这个软件的功能可以适合我们企业来使用和发展。